So this is another day on NAS 100, 17th of November, 2025. Here we have an overall bearish trend. So today is bearish at the moment. So when we go through the checklist, this is bearish market trend. Bearish market trend. Next thing is the break of structure, which we have right here. Let me turn this off. You have break of structure right there. So price seems to be pushing down. What's next on the list? We have our supply zone, because this is a set bearish trend. So supply. Now we're just waiting for price to come up into the zone, tap into our zone, and see whether it will hold and reverse or it will go through and invalidate. So it's as simple as that. So let me just put this up. Bearish market trend. Always go with the trend. Let's see. So this is pre-market. So the New York market is not open yet. Let's see how it goes. So this is a potential supply zone. If price comes up, price comes up on the zone, then it goes down. We'll see. Now we just wait. Nothing to do at the moment. Potentially creating another supply zone right here, but we'll see how it reacts. We shall see. I'm aware there's an old supply zone, 5-minute demand zone, but it's not worrying me too much. But I have some lines marked up just to have a visual map in case price is trying to reverse from the zone, and there is another demand zone on the 15 that price may react off of, so I am aware of those. But yeah, we just go with the trend. We don't force anything. Let's take it slow and steady and wait for all your confirmations. So until price comes all the way here, taps my zone, holds it, and goes down, or gives me an entry to go down, I'm not doing anything, just sitting on my hands. And yeah, pretty simple. Seems like it's reacting off that zone pretty strong. This is the zone I'm talking about. It's demand zone. So this is just to kind of understand why it's doing all this and trying to reverse, but not really to influence my bias. I just want to have an understanding of why it's doing all this. But potentially it will go up from this zone. See how it's reacting right now. But I don't want to enter a buy just because of that, because it's an old zone. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. But to be fair, if price goes all the way down, it does confirm the bearish market trend. And for bullish market trend, we want to see, even if it's minor breaks of structure to the upside, and eventually to break this high. So hopefully, let's just see. It's still early, still pre-market, so literally anything can happen. So let's wait and see. So the buyers are coming in. Still interested in this zone, this supply zone. I just want to see how price will react from it. But yeah, it's a valid supply zone. see how price behaves. Now this is the testing bit where you just sit on your hands and wait. And wait for the signs, wait for the Quattro PNM strategy steps. They're here, pretty clear. You should name them within 15 seconds. That's how you know you're following a system. But someone could aggressively buy here, and they're not wrong because it's reacting off this, and there is a liquidity here, so it's probably sweeping this, swept it, sweeping this liquidity, and then pushing back up. It's not a bad trade, honestly. It's pretty nice, but I don't want to do anything. But it is a nice zone. See if it's in there, you wait for the bullish candle closure, which is about to happen in a bit. Go there, put your stop loss right there. And, even if you're aiming for a 1-to-1, you get your 1-to-1 when price goes in the zone. You can exit right there if you want. So we have another break of structure here. Let's see. So I'm going to delete this. Then the most recent supply zone now is this. Um, so the market is opening in 2 minutes. Let's see what it does. Let's just wait, see what happens. So now we're just at the second step in the steps. We need it to come back and tap in the zone, not invalidate, hold it, then potentially go back down. Again, just wait. It's New York market open right there. Let's see. See what it does. So now we're just waiting for the price to come back up. Again, hold the zone and not invalidate, then potentially keep going down. Simple process. Straightforward and simple. So now we have a tap. Let's see what price will do. So we'll see if the price will invalidate. That's it. Now I'm not interested in that supply zone. That's it. I'm just waiting now. We delete the zone. We wait again. Keep waiting. Keep waiting. I'm curious because this zone was still not respected, but I don't think I want to take it, honestly. I don't think so. Let's see. Oh, the buyers are back in. Wrong too. So it's tapped that all zone, but I don't really want to enter, honestly. Mm. Let's see if we get some bearish signs. It's a good tap. It's an old zone, but I'm gonna wait. So now it's broken this minor. Know that this is just liquidity sweep, or I don't know. Oh, now the buyers are coming now. We might be flipping to a bearish market because we're breaking minor breaks of structure to the upside. Let's see. Let's wait. If it invalidates, then we are changing our bias, honestly. We are changing our bias if it breaks that zone. Because it keeps breaking the structures. Come on, MNQ. Tell us what to do. Let's wait and see. There you go. Almost breaking another minor break of structure. Let's see if it breaks. Perfect. So now we are about to switch our bias. Now, the reason is we have been breaking hang on. We have been breaking minor structures from here. There's a minor break of structure broken. Now this is another minor break of structure broken. Now price might be trying to go back up. Just like the other day, we had a switch of trend. Same thing kind of happened on Friday. So now we might have another bias just within the day. So this is how you avoid losses, by waiting to see what the market tells you. That's why the 9:30 New York Open is important. So now at this point, now we have a bullish. Let's see. Now we have a bullish market trend. There we go. Break of structure keeps going up. Now we have a demand zone right here. Demand zone, which is where price aggressively pushed the last time. This candle again. Now we're waiting for the price to come back, come to the demand zone, hold it, and go up. Let's see. So this is a demand zone. go. Now we wait. See if the daily candle has done anything. It's flipped back green. 4 hour. I remember on Friday we did a 1-to-1 on this 4 hour. I didn't enter in the 4 hour, but I was just cautious, aware. So that was our 1-to-1. So if price keeps going up, we might get to 1-to-2, which is right there. So let me just put it so I have just a mental map of a target if it goes that way. Let's see what it does. See how it's reacting off this 15. Oh, it's strong too. Yeah, price is probably just going up now. Here we go. So now I'm going to remove this because we have switched to the bias. Now we wait. Now it's just a waiting game. Now, if price breaks this high, now we have another zone. Now I'm waiting for price to go up here. I'm waiting for price to break this high. And then we have another break of structure. Then we have a new demand zone. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I'll just put it here just so that we have room. That's it. That's hopeful. And wait. And then we'll have another zone right here. Oh yes, there we go. Now we have another demand zone. Now this is good because it's close. I will wait for it to close first before considering an entry. Now we have another zone. Now this is another zone. Let's see. How many points is this? Yes. Oh, it's big, 57 points. Let's see. Four contracts. So if you get an entry, I'll go in with four contracts. Let's wait and see. Now I'm just waiting for price to come back. Close this first. We have 2 minutes. Then come back, close, tap and hold, then go up potentially. So I am waiting for this. Let's see. It's a good break of structure, which is just in between there. In between, right there. But I've just put it on the side just because of to have a clean illustration. Now let's wait and see. Let's see. So, ooh, this is nice. So I'm just waiting for price to come back and tap quick. I won't enter just yet until I get a confirmation of a candle coming down from where price is, then hold the zone and possibly go up. So 20 seconds on the candle, see what price does. Potentially. So I don't want this anymore. This is how you clean up your chart. Remove the old zone, focus on the new one. So now let's see if price comes down. Let's see. If it doesn't tap, it's not our trade. Simple as that. Um, there's another break of structure right here. See if price is coming down. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Price is coming down. Let's see if we will get a tap. Let's see. We are ready. So we haven't got a tap yet. Oh, and the whole idea is to get in the trade as close to the zone as possible, because the further away you go, the higher the stop loss size. Let's see. We're about to get a tap. There is the tap. So now let's see. We still have 2 minutes to decide. See if price will keep coming down or not. Let's see how the candle reacts. I'll hold 2 minutes. Let me see. Just waiting a bit more to see how the candle prints, because we have a whole 1.5 minutes left. Let's see, but I am ready. Let's see if price will come lower. Let's see. I'm just waiting a bit more just to see what price does. So it's a new candle. Yeah, I'm in the trade now. Let's see. Let's see. I am in buys. Potentially right there. So if it goes there, that's my. If it goes, let me see my 1-to-1 first. It's my 1-to-1. Yeah. So that's my 1-to-1. That's my 1-to-2. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not risking more than 500, honestly. So let's see. My entry. See what price does. Oh, let me use the old stop loss size. Let's see. So that was an aggressive entry. Was it? No, because we waited for this candle to close and then we saw a bullish kind of starting to form out of the zone. So I would say it was a conservative entry. So yeah, let's see. Now we wait. It's my 1-to-1. It's my 1-to-1, yeah. Let's see. This was my entry. I'm scaling out because I don't want a big. I'm out as well. Now, let's see that how much I lost. 600. Okay. Now, we have managed the trade because price invalidated our zone. Yes, we were in, but we have had a trade today. Now we finish. That's the first loss on the account. That's it. Now you leave the charts, leave it. You've seen how the process is pretty easy, but you follow your steps. Now we don't try again for this zone because once we do that, we're chasing the market. So now we don't do anything. I am not doing anything at this point. So follow your system, follow your process again. Try again tomorrow.